Hey, this is Miss Haley, your instructor for Math 170, Section 58. Um, I hope everybody's doing well and not getting sick or anything with this awful virus that's in the air. Um, Due to the school having to shut down, which means the testing centers are shut down, we are having to come up with some different ways for carrying out testing to try to still have the integrity of uh, of the test such as they would have been, in the testing center, or at least close to it. I hope that before I even start talking about what I'm going to do, but I hope that you will all follow the rules, and which means that you're not allowed to have any of your notes or the book or another person or looking up stuff on the internet, any of that stuff during the test. And so I hope that you will all be honest with yourself as well as me and stick to those rules. What I'm going to do, or what I have done, I have set up the test in order to not have ask for a password so that you can take them at home or wherever you've got internet. Now, there will be one type of security, about the only thing I could do. It's called a lockdown browser. It will lock down all the rest of your computer during the test so that all you can see is the test. And so, in order to take your test, what you're going to need to do on your computer before you even try to take it is go under student links right here. Well, and this is after you log in, you're in your course. And let's see where it's showing up. And then go down a little bit right here to MyLab Math Browser Check. Now, what that will do, it will check out like your, not only the browser, but for other plugins that are necessary. The main one for the test is going to be right here, this Pearson Lockdown Browser. And so you're going to need to come over here. Unfortunately, on mine, I do have it installed, so it just says check version. But on y'all's, I'm sure it would say install now right here instead of check version. And so you're going to need to install that on your laptop or computer, wherever you plan to take the test. Otherwise, it will not let you get into the test and take it. This one, TestGen plugin, do not worry about that. We do not use TestGen. So it's the Pearson Lockdown Browser. And just install it, follow the little steps, just like when you install other stuff on your computers. And then what I would do would be to totally restart your computer, all the way down here with the restart. And let it totally sort of get that into its system, and then go back in D2L, click on the test, and hopefully it works for you. If not, shoot me a text or an email. Be sure that you were using Google Chrome or Firefox, not Windows Explorer, and probably not Edge. You will also, another big change, there will be a time limit of 75 minutes. So it will turn off at 75 minutes. Another change, if for some reason you try to start it and then stop it and you're thinking, oh, I'll just go back to it, it will not let you come back to it, and it also will not let you get into any of the other Math Lab stuff like homework or any of that stuff. So just take the test during the 75 minutes. Don't use other materials or people, and you'll be good. All righty. Thanks.